Okay, and now we are at science. We're going to be reading two science articles that really start us off on our science journey this year. And in seventh grade, science is very, very focused on um, earth science. So, not only what the earth is made of, when we talk about the crust and the core of the earth and all the things in between, and also what is above the earth when we're talking about the stratosphere and the troposphere and all these different spheres that pretty much separate our environment from what we would call space or the universe that's outside of our environment. Um, Basically, we need to start at the beginning, and the beginning is the history of planet Earth. Now, as you can see, this is grade 7, little under 600 words. This is nonfiction, okay? This is not a fictional account of Earth's history or prehistory. This is nonfiction. Everything you're going to read here is established fact. So that's what science is. Science deals with what we know, and it also deals with what we hope to know someday. The questions we're asking right now about the way things work that we don't know, we hope to know it someday by experimenting and observing what really is. So, the history of planet Earth, again, you can start up here with the passage. You can press this, which will read the article toward with you, and you can, as it's reading, you can go down through here and read along if that helps you. Okay. Again, what does this help you out with? This helps you out with fluency. And what's fluency exactly? Well, yes, we all know how to read words, we know how to read sentences, but we want to make sure that we read the sentences in the way they were intended to be read. So basically, when you hear other people read, it kind of helps you work through what it sounds like or what each sentence is meant to sound like as you read it. And this is what's called sentence fluency. It not only helps you write a sentence that will sound very fluent, but it also helps you hear what fluent sentences sound like. Okay, this is one of our 6 traits of writing, and it's really going to help your writing out if you take full advantage of it. Remember, we do have our vocabulary words. This one is discern, and again, you click on discern, and voila, there is the definition and an example of the word being used. Now, you want to make sure that you take all of these vocabulary words and make sure that you understand them before you go on, because when you get to the question set, it may ask you some questions that have to do with those words. So make sure you understand those words. So the history of planet Earth is one of them. There's also a link to is the Earth getting warmer? Now, climate change is a subject that's very important today, and I know a lot of people have a lot of different opinions on it. We're not going to get into any of that here. We're just going to look at the science of the question, is the Earth getting warmer? And as you read this, um, you may come up with an answer, but the main thing is to look at the science behind it to see if this question has any merit or value. Again, we're in grade 7, 1,000 words of 422 words, so that's 1,422 words. So it's a little longer than the last one, probably about twice as long. But really, you want to make sure you're paying attention to it because this is a very important issue that we're dealing with today, and we want to make sure that we understand what we're talking about. So again, it looks like there's a lot of blue words here, so you might take extra time clicking on them and learning what they mean as you go through. Of course, just like with the last one, once you get to the end, you go to the question set, make sure you understand all the words you're doing, you answer the question set. Uh, the last looks like the last 3 have written answers, so you really have to know what you're talking about to give a good written answer. All right. So I believe that's pretty much it for science today. Um, just read it through, make sure you understand it, take your time. You got all the time you need, and when you're done, go ahead and fill out the question set, and it should be sent to me, and yeah, that should be it for the day. So I wish you all the luck in the world with this, and I will talk to you next time.